here we have a question about Henri and Michel, journalists. You have to read all of this to make sure you know what this is talking about. Okay, so we've got estimations of retail prices, and we've got Henri's estimate and we've got Michel's estimate. So you need to pick up, this is not a frequency table, this is bivariate. We've got an X and a Y. Okay, and you're going to be reaching for your white calculator, but make sure you put it into a two variable mode. So this is going to be the A plus BX mode on your calculator. Okay, because that's the only place where you'll find your product moment correlation coefficient. So you accurately put the data into your calculator, enter it twice over, and make sure you get the correct value of R. Okay, and if R happens to be negative, make sure you spot the minus sign. I'm not saying it is. You'd be surprised if it was. Make sure you get the minus sign if there is one. Okay, and that's part A. And then part B is money for old rope, because you've got to interpret briefly. It doesn't say in context, but I would do it in context. Okay, so you're saying that there is a word describing the strength of the correlation. You're going to tell me either positive or negative, unless there's no correlation at all. Okay, so you're going to say there is this amount of this kind of correlation between, and then you're going to tell me the two variables, and you can use these words here, and then that should be the easiest 2 marks that you ever see. Remember that the words describing strength and the cutting off points for R, they're all in your notes. If they're not in your notes, make it a priority to get those copied up, because until you've got that accurately and you've learnt it, you're going to miss out on those 2 easy marks, which would be a shame.